Blue Heart. Oh, yeah? Ophicia Storm? Could you send out an herb patrol? I'm missing a few herbs in my store, and I would rather have a full herb stock. Oh, okay. I'll get a few cats to go on a patrol for you. Thank you, Blue Heart. You're, welcome, anytime. Nice. Now, I have to go meet my apprentice in the medicine den. Okay. Now, I will be taking you on a tour of the territory. I will show you some herbs along the way, although only ones that are in, of course, patioclan territory. The ones that are in the other clan territories, I will have to save for a later lesson, just to make sure that you don't get hurt. Oh, okay. Nice. So, there should be a patrol calling soon. So we might have to stay here for a minute. Just so that, the cats in the patrol, have someone to talk to see what herbs they need to gather for me. Oh, okay, that seems pretty simple. Nice. All cats old enough to run the concrete gather below the high step for patrols. Patrols? Seriously? Fine. Fine. Do patrols. Come on. Not the worst thing. Okay, now that you all have gathered, Ashen Wing. Yes. You will lead a herb patrol. Take Tiger's Eye and Nightshade Balm with you. Okay, I will. Sure. You are dismissed. Sweet. Come on, guys. Let's go to the medicine dome. Oh, we're going? Now, Dusky Winter, you will lead a border patrol with me and Whiskey Pelt. Oh, you're dismissed. Sweet, come on, guys. Oh, you can go on a solo patrol. Oh, okay. Come on, Blue Heart, what are you waiting for? Oh, right. And so, oh, speak of the devil! Ashen Wing. Yes. Tiger's Eye. Nightshade Balm. I'm guessing you're my herb patrol? Yes, we are. I'm leading. Just tell me what to gather. Oh. Let's see. You could get me some thyme and a few squash leaves. Please. Fine. Come on, you heard her. Let's go. Fine. I know where squash leaves are. Just, follow me. You'll find them. Oh. Thanks for your help. Or not help, I guess. Huh. Weird. Anyway, now that our herb patrol's been sent, we can actually get on with the whole territory thing. Now it seems our daylight is running a bit thin, so we may need to just do the first little bit, which is actually right here outside camp. Follow me. Oh, okay. Now, here is our first spot. What do you think? It's good. What can we gather here? Well, that's a good question. Over here, just right back here, are the squash plants. Oh, okay. What do these do? Well, these squash plants. By the way, out of character, but this is not fully the same thing as the warrior cat, so some herb uses may be a bit different. Just like, for example, the squash plants here. They're not used for the same thing that they are in the books, so don't worry about that. These squash plants, well, their leaves are usually used for anti-inflammatory or to bring down swelling. Also, the flowers and fruit have a nice taste, although they don't really serve any medicinal value. Oh, okay. What else is there? Oh, right. If you come over here, I'll show you to the next thing. Oh. This right here is a little bit of peat moss. Oh, nice. There's also some lichen mixed in with it, but that's fine. It doesn't hurt the plants. What can you use this for? Well, like with the squash flowers, it also doesn't really have any medicinal value, although I usually put it in elder's nests. Although some varieties of this type of moss can be spiky, so sometimes I'll use it to cover small wounds or like scratches or things, in addition to cobwebs. And maybe some iris if I'm lucky. And I have it in my stores. Oh, that's nice. So, we should probably be getting back. This place isn't the safest for a young apprentice like you. There's a lot of creepy crawlies around here. Oh, okay. Come on, let's go. Oh, okay. Here's our next spot. The herb gardens. Whoa, so cool here. Yes, it is. You can find pretty much any herb under the sun that grows in warm, sunny areas around here. Sure, not every herb is here, but there are still some useful ones. I probably won't be able to tell you what everything here does in one singular day, let alone maybe even a moon, but we'll come back here every so often. You might even learn things after I'm gone, after you're a full medicine cat. Oh, well, now that I think about it, we should actually probably be heading back to camp. My herb patrol's probably back by now. Let's see. Oh, they did get me my squash. I didn't get my time though. I'll grab some later.